Oh, okay. Now edit registration text. Let's go and edit registration text. Right. What is the notification? If I edit that class. Cancellation, if I cancel that class. Okay. So what will be the notification? This is the notification. Now you said, how would I add it? If you have to. So first of all user. User will always be the same. User means anybody who enrolls. You can be the user, I can be the user, right? You're getting me. Yeah. You enroll to an item means you are the user right now. Correct. If I go and enroll into it, that means I am the user right now. So whoever enrolls, that is your user. Now sure you say in user, this is hard-coded. You always use this. That's level 3 notification schedule, cancellation student subject. Means student, means who is going to take this training. Okay. If you enroll, you can be called a student. I can be called a student, right? At the same time I said who should be the manager. Manager will also be. In fact, whoever is, your manager will be called a supervisor. Subject means your supervisor. Subject, supervisor, right? Yes. Then instructor. Who is the instructor? We have already defined it. That will be them. Correct. Hello. Yeah. And then others. Others means if you have attacked somebody else's life. You want to send it to the CC. Okay. Now, that brings us to the body part. Now body part is generally. We keep it similar for all the cancellation. Approval, or what is that called? Enrollment. So what does it say? It says, like you have been enrolled to this particular training. This is. These are the dates. But that is general one. Maybe your message could be different, right? Your message can be different. You want to send something else, some other notification? So sure you have to come and you have to make these XML changes. First of all, this is XML changes. But email notification can be changed from other part as well from the system setting. Okay. We'll come to that later. Okay, thank you. Yeah, but are you getting that notifications? If minor changes are there, where will you do that? Yeah. Okay. Just answer. Can I just do one? First one. Time. Sorry, can somebody understand? Yeah, so we change it. Now I go and I said okay, even though cancellation is done. So if you want to make any changes in cancellation, like notification message text, is this approval or denial reason? Because registration is approved, or maybe your registration is denied. So automatically, system will pick your approval or denial reason, and reason will be the drop-down that we choose. So don't worry, when I create and I show you the final one, I will make changes here and then I'll show you. So like, can you see the edit labels? Yes. And we did work on the edit labels. I mean labels there. Can you see? Do you remember the labels you brought up? So you go to any labels, like you say the notification enrollment student subject, so who would be the student? I click on notification. Email notification. So I change it. The automatically system will pick this. Just like that. Whatever label you have created, system will automatically pick. So this is being created default right here. Labels, so if you forgot it, you can take it there. The reference. A label, manage label. So can you see all of the registration status? Resource blog blogs, withdrawal reason. Yes, we will. Whatever reason, you will pick automatically, system will pick. Okay. And online content. We have these things. Yeah. So where is that one reference? Manage labels. Yeah. Yep. Signal is in there. All that, yeah. Just like that. We keep on changing this in the any particular. Email notification. How we create it. We'll talk about it after some time. This is how you do, and you apply changes. So, whatever changes you do, this will only be available for this particular item. It's not like it's going to apply everywhere. This is only for this particular item. Okay. Makes sense. Yes, now I go to online content. Online content. Whatever I have created, it's the term show. So I will choose. Let's say I have content outside. So I choose any one of them. Now, once you have that, you can go edit, move or remove as an admin. But when employees go, they will choose. See this online content. The link, or once you change the content and roll into it, you will be able to see this. Then I move to the agenda of template. Now, agenda is very important. So you see. Agenda is very important. Let's say I have 5 days class. Every day, you want to set up a new agenda. Okay. So you will click on the plus sign. And you say, Day 1 description and production. You set first day in production, and that is for 3 hours. And the delay start can be maximum 5 minutes. And location type. Now location for all cities or city name you can pick. Let's say I said this class, whatever we have created in the reference. Let's pick this one. And I say so, this is for day 1. Automatically, people will see the day 1. Can you see? Then I said, okay, day 2 will be different. Day 2 should be basic.